So today I'm going to share with you how to make the trending fisheye text effect in Edits app. So the Edits app, as you know, is a video editor from Instagram and it is free to use and it doesn't come with any type of watermark or something like that. So let's show you how to use that. So here are some examples which I have tried to make the fisheye text effect before sharing with you. So you have to choose the image or the video, so you can use either image or video for this effect. So let me show you first with a video and then I will show you with a image. So this is the video, as you can see. So I will go to text here. So first you have to make sure that you choose this color icon and make sure you choose a bright color. I am choosing yellow as my primary color, and for the secondary color you choose a darker color. So for example, I am using this black color, so you can use either this black or this purple color, something like that. Or in primary you can use the here this green, light green shade, or this pink color, you can use something like that, so which is very much bright in color. So that is best to use for this example. And after that I will click on this double A here, and here as you can see it is by default it is chosen to classic, but you have to just scroll to get the required font. So you have to choose this advert case here to make this effect, and next you have to select this icon, and here you have to scroll down to find the fisheye. So you can just keep it saved here to work on it. So I have already saved here so that I can work on it again. Now you need to add the text. So here we will click on this first icon. So I will write here, it's never too late to start again. So I will write like that, and after that I'll click on done, and after that you can just adjust here, or if you want you can just edit it again, and here you can choose a line break like you want, and you can use something like that. So now to save it, click on next here and it will auto save your design. Now you can share directly to Instagram or Facebook, or you can just download it if you want to use in any other form of content. Okay, now as you can see I have chosen an image for this, and let me just make it bigger by just dragging it with both the thumbs. You can just make the image bigger, and after that I will edit the text here. So as you can see previously we used the settings here, so the settings are already saved here. So you can see advertise is selected here and fisheye is also selected here. So here just edit it, and here I will write a day in the life of a professional model. So just like that you can write, and after that you can just drag it. And the best thing is that in this edits app it also shows where our the account information or the like status bar, comments bar will come, and it will auto adjust here, and you can just drag and see where it is looking good, and you can just fix the size by using the two thumbs like that. So I hope you like this tutorial, and I hope you learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.